Long way to go. Might just be a case of cleaning this up before we start the woodwork. That's looking a bit better. I've glued my pins back on with the lock, although how long they will last is another story. I've even had these the front off, so now when you release the little clips, the needle should swing. That one does. For some reason the top one's sticking again. It was working before. There we go. It's rusted up the buggery in there, so I've still got to clean the surfaces. Probably why it's sticking. But I think the fact that it's working as well as it is at the moment is showing a good sign that it'll at least clean up. I need to find where to get one of these from. I have no idea what I'm looking for apart from felt pads. The last time I saw one of them, I think my granddad had similar for his trumpet. But sadly my granddad's been gone 20 years, so I can't ask him. Anyway, that's all for now. I do appreciate your help that you give me with it so far. Hopefully one day we can get it on a wall somewhere. At least on display if not working. And if you've got any idea how to replace these, whether it's transfers or what, I don't know. But I'm open to suggestions. Cheers for now.